The carrot is a root vegetable often claimed to be the perfect health food. It is crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. Here are some benefits of eating carrot every day. Boost the immune system. Carrots contain a variety of nutrients and antioxidants, along with vitamin C, that will boost your immune system. Eating carrots regularly creates a protective shield for your body from germs. Keep hair happy and healthy. Easily one of the top beauty benefits of carrots is gorgeous hair. Carrots provide your hair with vital vitamins, making your locks stronger, thicker and shinier than ever before. Create glowing skin. Get your glow on by eating more carrots. The same beta-carotene that gives carrots their orange color will brighten your skin and make it glow. But remember not to consume carrots in excess. Prevent wrinkles. The beta-carotene in carrots is converted into vitamin A in your body. A is for awesome because vitamin A promotes firm, elastic and healthy skin. Protect your teeth. You'll smile a little brighter thanks to carrots. Long hailed as a cavity-fighting vegetable, chewing a raw carrot acts as a natural toothbrush. Carrots are also high in plaque-fighting keratin and vitamin A, which helps strengthen delicate tooth enamel. Nourish dry skin. Carrots are great if you suffer from dry skin because they are packed with potassium. Drink carrot juice regularly to keep your body and skin hydrated. Treat skin blemishes. Drinking carrot juice may also help in reducing the appearance of blemishes and scars. Don't want to drink the juice? You can also apply carrot pulp directly to your skin. Protect skin from the sun. Carrots can protect your skin from the sun's rays. The beta-carotene in carrots is a skin-friendly nutrient that gets converted to vitamin A inside the body. It helps repair skin tissues while also protecting skin from harmful radiation. Reduce the look of oily skin. If you suffer from oily skin, you may have noticed that your skincare products contain vitamin A in the form of retinoids and tretinoin. Carrots also offer a ton of vitamin A, so eating carrots will help reduce oily skin from the inside out. If you like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.